3. I was recording the video. I just messed with y'all. Alright, I'm gonna get it this time.
Baby, I want this. I want this to last forever.
Okay, so boom, another Saturday night, another vlog. This time I'm supposed to be going to main event to like meet up with some of my friends. For my friend's Kiana's birthday. So we're gonna go to main event and do like bowling and laser tag and stuff like that. So if y'all been on this page for a while, then y'all know I'm obsessed with teeth whitening. So I'll be brushing my teeth before I go anywhere basically, because I just want my teeth to be as white as possible. But you know, to each his own. Let me fix my little thing. Anyway, just with my teeth. I don't know what I'm gonna wear, but I know I'm gonna try to keep it like real chill. Real chill. So what my kids doing before I go? What you doing, baby?
Listening to zombie music since I can't watch the movie. Because
Oh,
you're so scared.
Who's so scared?
You're scary cat.
I'm scaring who?
You're a scaredy cat.
Who? Oh, because I don't want you watching scary stuff?
Zombies are not scary.
Oh. Anyway.
You do not know what's scary.
Alright, baby, I love you. Alright, I love you.
I love you.
I love you, Ashton.
I'm a hug.
You need a hug? I'll see you later. Good night. My husband is doing homework, I'm pretty sure. Anyway. Ooh. Going down the steps, y'all. I'm the first thing I have to look still when I'm going down the steps. You sure you don't want to come, baby daddy? What test you on? Oh, don't worry about it. All right. I won't. Okay, just trying to give y'all, headed to the bowling alley, trying to give y'all outfit of the day. Boom. Alexa, off. Okay, I got ready real quick. I forgot to film that part for the vlog, but super duper cute. This is the look that me and TikTok decided we were wearing to go bowling. Okay. Oh, here's the beat. Brittany on that beat. Brittany on that beat. Okay, anyway. So I just got here, getting out the car. Geez Louisers. I think this needs to be brighter. Getting out the car. Let me find my key. So definitely, ooh, that's bright. Definitely pulling up at main events. Peep the fit. I guess you can't really see it, but yeah, here we are. My friends are already inside. I am late per usual. Bitch, I'm a big gangster. It's so interesting to me when people see me with my vlogging stick. They always think I'm so weird as if everyone in Atlanta doesn't vlog. Yeah, interesting. I'm trying to fuck you and your bestie. Yeah. What counter are they at though? Let me turn the light off. You don't smell it? Now I'm about to smell mine. Yeah, I smell it. I do smell it.
I want to drink this, but
This said it's light work. Ruth said that's light work.
is it strong or no? No. It's not like a shot. I thought it was like a starting shot.
We all got lemon pepper, huh? Y'all both got lemon pepper too?
I got lemon pepper. I got a million. You can never go wrong with a burger. I swear to God, they cannot make a burger wrong.
I think they're pretty good. Well,
I thought you can't really go too wrong with chicken wings.
So, my lipstick is gone, but they all went to go play laser tag. And I'm really not into things that like involve guns in general, so I'm not gonna go play. So I'm sitting here, I'm watching the purses. I'm the purse collector. I'm the purse protector, rather. I'm protecting the purses, period. Every day, all day. Protecting the bag. Get the bag. Protect the bag. Get the bag. Get the bag. Protect the bag. Period. You can do whatever you want, really. You don't have to listen to me. Try just eating. You mind if I record you, Chelsea? No? No, be natural. Just be natural. She's like, wait, what do I do now? Like, I don't really know. Chelsea was like, I don't know what to do. She said, yeah, bring it over here.
I'm like, right now? At the time, right now, I can't finish that shit.
But when I walked up, there were like a lot of families leaving and they were looking at me hella crazy because I had my camera out and they was like, who's this weird person with the camera? Is she recording us? I'm like, I'm not recording you guys. I promise I'm not recording y'all.
No, that's what I said to that customer. Remember that one time?
They thought y'all was recording her?
No, she thought we was talking about her and we wasn't. My other Chelsea I told a joke or she told a joke and we laughed. To no one. I can't dance. Okay, go Chelsea. And throw your hands up. I'm kind of buzzing. It's all because South Central does it like nobody does. To all my ladies, you got much flavor on an old school night. Our hands are in the air, here to there. I wanna be player. I was a lowercase G. Okay, so now I feel like I'm looking hit. I did have fun. I just been home. Am I the only person, like, when you get home, you have to sit in the car for a while and, like, literally just, like, decompress before you go into the house? I don't know if I'm gonna, like, record myself taking off my makeup or not, like a little montage. If not, this is gonna be the end of this vlog. Let me know if y'all like the one day vlog versus me like putting it all in a week in a long vlog. I thought this was cute. Took so long to get our food though, which I don't know if I showed that or not, but yeah, I'm tired. I'm gonna sit here and listen to Summer Walker for like 20 minutes before I go in the house. It's 2:12 in the morning.
Find someone like you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I've been waiting